Trolamine salicylate is a medication that is commonly used to relieve minor aches and pains in the muscles and joints, such as those caused by arthritis, backache, and sprains. It falls under the category of drugs known as salicylates. When using Mobisyl Cream, it is important to apply a thin layer to the affected area and gently massage it into the skin until it is absorbed. This can be done 3 to 4 times a day, and it is recommended to wash your hands after applying the cream. It is best to use Mobisyl Cream at the first sign of pain for the best results. When using Mobisyl Cream, make sure to follow the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist. This cream is meant to be used only on the skin, so be careful to avoid getting it in your eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina. If it does come into contact with these areas, rinse with plenty of water. You can apply the cream to the affected area up to 3 to 4 times a day, making sure to rub it in gently and thoroughly. After applying the cream, remember to wash your hands, unless you are using it to treat your hands. Avoid using this cream on broken or irritated skin, and do not bandage or tightly wrap the affected area, or apply heat to it. These actions may increase the risk of side effects, so it's important to follow these guidelines. If your condition lasts for more than 7 days, worsens, or keeps coming back, be sure to inform your doctor. And if you suspect a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. If your doctor has prescribed Mobisyl Cream for you, it means they believe that the benefits of using this medication outweigh the potential side effects. Most people who use this cream do not experience serious side effects. However, if you notice any blistering, peeling, redness, or irritation at the application site, or if you experience nausea, vomiting, or ringing in the ears, you should stop using the cream and contact your doctor immediately. While it's rare, a serious allergic reaction to Mobisyl Cream can occur. If you develop a rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help right away. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects that are not mentioned here, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about any side effects. You may also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Mobisyl Cream, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to Trolamine salicylate, aspirin, other salicylates, or if you have any other allergies. This cream may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have asthma or growths in the nose, nasal polyps. If you are planning to have surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Mobisyl Cream is similar to aspirin, so it is not recommended for children and teenagers younger than 18 years if they have chickenpox, flu, any undiagnosed illness, or if they have recently received a vaccine. In these cases, this cream may increase the risk of Reye's syndrome, which is a rare but serious illness. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, it's important to inform your doctor. This medication may harm an unborn baby and cause problems with normal labor and delivery. It is not recommended for use during pregnancy from 20 weeks until delivery. If your doctor deems it necessary for you to use this medication between 20 and 30 weeks of pregnancy, you should use the lowest effective dose for the shortest possible time. This medication should not be used after 30 weeks of pregnancy. Be sure to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using Mobisyl Cream, as it is unknown if this product passes into breast milk. When using Mobisyl Cream, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to follow your doctor's approval and not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without consulting them first. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Mobisyl Cream. If Mobisyl Cream is accidentally ingested, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like losing consciousness or having difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the U.S., you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and for Canadian residents, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments. This will help in ensuring that you are using Mobisyl Cream effectively and getting the most benefit from it. Remember to follow your healthcare provider's instructions and ask any questions you may have about using Mobisyl Cream. If you forget to use Mobisyl Cream, apply it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, then skip the missed dose and apply the next dose at your regular time. Do not apply double the amount to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to store Mobisyl Cream at room temperature and away from heat. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically told to do so. When the cream is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.